the mortgage professionals here, so I'd love to hear what interest rates are doing, how the market's moving, how it affects buyers. But before we get into some of that market stuff, each of you is going to be hosting your own show. Okay, well, starting with you, Mark, what should we expect with your show at the Real Estate Radio Network?
Basically, what I want to do is to provide the Houston, Texas market a panel of seasoned, vetted professionals that can give some very good, solid answers toward real estate problems and questions that the listeners have, and to provide sort of a platform, to sharing ideas and create some solutions for real estate and financial problems.
All right, now as a realtor that's going to be hosting this show, you're kind of carrying the message into the show that you do every day for a living, because as a realtor, you're the hub of the wheel, but you have all these spokes that you align with. We have two of them right next to us. You have to have your mortgage guy,
absolutely,
your estate planner, your financial planner. When
right.
you buy a house, you're going to need a CPA. So are these some of the partners we're going to hear on your show?
Absolutely. The whole point is to create sort of a team, or at least give the listeners some names of the people on the show so that they can choose this team as well.
3 key words that describe your show.
Integrity, professionalism, and fun.
It's great to have you in here. Is there anything that our audience can take away today? What do people need to know about the real estate market today before we part ways here? Mark?
Actually, what's interesting about the Houston market, which has been booming very well the last 36 months, is actually in May, we've had the first decline in the market in Houston.
So that scared people?
Not really. Basically, been a decline in inventory is the thing that's driving that. Except in properties selling over $500,000, those properties have actually increased.
As far as the value goes?
As far as the value goes. And actually, the high dollar, the average price in Houston has gone way up. It's now about $280,000, and right now there's no end in sight.
Awesome.